Artificial intelligence and nanotechnology are two of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. AI creates intelligent machines that perform tasks requiring human intelligence, like learning and decision-making. Nanotechnology manipulates matter at the atomic level, allowing us to build materials atom by atom. Imagine microscopic robots powered by AI repairing damaged cells or cleaning pollutants with atomic precision. This is not science fiction, it is the very real potential of these two powerful technologies working in tandem. The convergence of AI and nanotechnology could redefine the future. The seeds of AI were sown in the mid-20th century with the development of the first electronic computers. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, proposed the Turing test in 1950 to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. The Dartmouth Workshop in 1956 formalized AI as a field. Richard Feynman popularized nanotechnology in his 1959 lecture, proposing the manipulation of individual atoms and molecules. The invention of the scanning tunneling microscope in 1981 allowed scientists to see and manipulate individual atoms, opening the door to nanotechnology. The convergence of AI and nanotechnology holds immense promise and potential peril.
The true power of nanotechnology might be unleashed when guided by the intelligence of AI. Imagine swarms of microscopic robots, each programmed with specific tasks, working together to build complex structures or deliver drugs to individual cells. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions far faster than humans. This capability becomes incredibly powerful at the nanoscale, where the sheer number of interactions can be overwhelming. One promising area is the development of smart nanomaterials that can respond to their environment. For example, self-healing materials or targeted drug delivery systems that release medication only at the site of an infection.